Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to my new series on how to make Zodiac rings. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. So what you're going to need for this project is a ring cone, your jewelry pliers, and for this one I'm going to use 20 gauge a copper wire that I bought at Michael's, but you can use a slightly thicker gauge, 18 gauge, if your wire is kind of soft, you want it to be sturdy enough. So the Scorpio ring is a lot like the Virgo ring, except there's like a little arrow there. This one is adjustable. The other one I'm going to do fixed. So what you want to do for this is start sort of near where you just have enough to go halfway around the ring there, around the finger, and then we're going to, same thing like we did with the other, we're going to make like the little letter M. So we're going to go ahead like this, and then this one we could bend to the back. The other one I bent to the front, but we could bend it to the back. And then we're going to make our M form, and you can make it as stylized as you like. I'm just making it kind of curved. Some of the drawings I've seen, the M's are more pointed. So whatever floats your boat, you know, just make it however you find it to be nice. You can draw it out first, or you can look at pictures on Google of different zodiac signs. So we're going to go ahead. So there's our M, and then we want to make a kind of an arrow thing. So we're going to just go ahead, bend that to the side. Looks like it goes straight out there. And then get our, either the flat pliers or your round pliers. And we want to bend this a little bit on a, I guess you'd call that 45-degree angle. And then you want to bend this to the front, okay, because you want the arrow part to be kind of smooth. So that's going to be bent to the front. You can push it in a little bit if you need. It's a little finicky sometimes to get those little angles done. And then we want to, I'm going to flip it just because it's easier to hold. I'm going to go like that. So this is like going to be our arrow, and then we're going to, this is the front, and then we're going to bend it to the back like that. Okay. And then what we want to do is this part is going to continue to make the ring. So we're going to bend that out. Okay, and this one, because it's quite high up there, let's just roll it down a bit, and then we're just going to kind of give it a little bit of a curve because we want to get it down as low as we can so the ring sits more or less straight. This one we can just kind of bend up on an angle a bit if you want. So that's super cute, and then we can go ahead and then put it on the ring form about where your size is. Like I said, you can buy these ring cones with the sizes already on them. If you don't have the size, try it on your finger and then put it back just to in the spot that it looks like it's going to be the right size. You can make this ring adjustable, but I'm going to just at the center back do a little right angle bend and then just twist these wires together, because I find with the thinner wire it's a little too fragile to make the adjustable ring with. But the trouble is, if you go with a wire that's too thick, then it's going to be really hard to make the fine details. So it's just what kind of style you're going for. If you really want the adjustable ring, you're going to definitely have to use a thicker, stronger wire, and then it's going to be harder to get the details. So depending on which design you're going to go for, you could choose your type of wire. So there we go. We have all done. Just do the finishing touches, and there is your Scorpio ring, the one that's fixed in size, and then the one that is adjustable. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art creations, be sure to join my Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, where we share photos of our work and get inspired by members of the group. And if you'd like to check out our Etsy shop, we make all kinds of custom wire art and jewelry on Etsy. And also, if you'd like to learn more about wire art and jewelry making, I have an online course where I teach all kinds of cool techniques, including how to make your own templates, how to make flattened bookmarks, and how to make really cool spiral beads. Thanks for watching.